Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charisse, and on this channel I talk about beauty and skincare reviews to help you find things that actually work, and I also share some affordable dupes for beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to share to you my current favorite at-home device when I'm doing my facial, especially now that we are on quarantine still and we can't go to the spa and we can't go to some beauty clinics. So it's good that you still exercise self-care at home. So this tool is called a high frequency wand. This tool can actually give you a safe treatment both for cystic and active acne. This shortens the lifespan of breakout and prevents future blemishes and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So I first found out about this device when I was a teenager. I would usually go to my dermatologist because at that time when I was a teenager, I always get hormonal breakouts and it was bad. It's like big pimples, and every time I get a facial, at the end of the facial, this is my favorite treatment. I don't know how to explain the feeling of this treatment, but it doesn't really lay flat on your skin once it's on. You know how two magnets that have, like, say both positive charge, if you put them together, it wouldn't stick together, and this is how it feels like on your skin. Like, say this is the high frequency one, it really wouldn't like touch your skin. There's like energy in between your skin and this machine. That's how I feel like. And I just like the smell of this. It just smells like clean air or clean oxygen. I don't know, I'm weird, but for me that's how it smells and that's how it feels. And I really think that this helped me, especially drying my pimple out. At that time, I think that these are only available at the spa or at your dermatologist. But I'm just so happy that this comes in a portable device now and you can easily use this at home. And I have a video where I explain how I use my nose vacuum, and then after that I use this, and a lot of you guys were commenting what this is and where to get it and how to use it. So now in this video, I'm going to explain how often should you use it, what to expect, and its aftercare. So high frequency uses small currents to oxygenate the skin. And then the oxygen kills the pimple-inducing stuff on contact. So this machine is actually not made to directly treat the acne, but to kill the bacteria and reduce inflammation. And that's why you'll notice its acne-fighting benefits. So the high frequency treatment increases circulation to stimulate collagen. It's also a good anti-aging tool and a glow boosting tool. So here are the benefits of a high frequency treatment. It safely kills acne causing bacteria. It minimizes inflammation and redness. It reduces post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It reduces acne and future breakouts. It shrinks enlarged pores. It oxygenates the skin. So now I'm going to show you each probe and I'm going to tell you what each probe does. So this is the round tip, and it's also called the mushroom tip. This is the probe that you can use all over your face because it has the widest surface of all the probes. This is my most used probe. I recently discovered that you can actually also use this on your body to reduce cellulite. I haven't tried it yet. Maybe in a couple of weeks I will try it on my cellulite and see if this one works. But I learned that you can also use this on your body. And I also learned that you can use this for lymphatic drainage, which is a technique to flush toxins out of your body. I actually made a video for my gua sha and how I use it to do a lymphatic drainage on my face, and you can actually use this device instead of the gua sha and do the same motion for lymphatic drainage. So this second probe is called the spot tip or the acne tip, and it just have this small circular tip at the end, and this is used to spark your pimples. So you have a big pimple, you just spark this on your pimple so that pimple wouldn't be more inflamed, and it really helps in drying a big pimple. Like, you know those pimples that doesn't have a pus yet, but it's very red and very inflamed, and you know that like there's something brewing inside and it hurts? This really helps in killing the bacteria underneath, which prevent it from coming up. And by preventing it from getting worse, you're also preventing hyperpigmentation and future scarring. The third tip is the under eye tip, and it's called that because it really fits underneath your eyes like that. To be honest, I haven't tried this tip yet because I always go with the mushroom tip and the acne tip. But now that I'm actually having eye bags and dark under eyes, I will be trying this for sure. So this one helps in reducing puffy eyes and dark under eye circles, producing oxygen that will increase blood circulation. And it also helps in dispersing excess fluid underneath your eyes. So the skin underneath your eyes is very thin, and if there's not enough oxygen circulating around it, it will appear very dark. So this really helps in oxygenating underneath your eyes to reduce that darkness. And then the last tip is this comb tip. And obviously it's for your hair. This is also a probe that I haven't used yet, but it is said to promote circulation and stimulate your hair follicles. And I read somewhere that this is great to incorporate with your hair growth formulas. Now that we know what the probes are for, let's discuss how I use this on my skin. So how to prepare for a high frequency treatment. I do not recommend this high frequency treatment for people with pacemaker or a history of heart disease. Also, if you're pregnant, I think that you should consult with your doctor before using this, or don't just use this at all. And if you have sensitive skin conditions such as rosacea, eczema, or psoriasis, I don't recommend this treatment as well. This treatment is also not recommended to incorporate with your AHAs or with your glycolic acid. And you should also avoid using this on broken capillaries and spider veins. So before using this machine, make sure that you sanitize this very well. You have to sanitize this before and after use. There's an on and off switch of the machine, so it goes from lowest to highest. Let's go with, I'm actually not on the dot yet, and this is scary for me. So I just put my finger here. Okay, so there's not a lot of currents yet, so I don't feel the current yet. So I'm going higher. I'm going to the first dot. There you go. So can you see? It actually has that spark. So I can actually tolerate that. So I'm going with number 3. Ow! See? Hurts. Ah. So I'm just going with the number 2 dot. So now that you've tested the intensity, so we're just going to stay at the number 2 dot. And what I'm going to do is wash my face and do all the facial steps and then use this at the end. I actually have a full video on how I do my facial at home, and I'll be linking that video below. But on today's video, I'm just going to show you my step-by-step on how I do my facial and then how I use this at the end. So to prevent your skin from drying using a high frequency treatment, just make sure that you don't put it on a high setting and do not use this for too long. Stick to no more than 2 to 3 minutes on each area and 15 to 20 minutes for the whole face. I personally see reduced breakouts every time I use this high frequency machine along with my regular skincare routine. So here's the cost of this machine. And here's the potential side effects and what you might be experiencing after using a high frequency treatment. So some may experience tingling, redness, and swelling, which generally resolves within a few days. It's a pretty well tolerated procedure. If you have more of a sensitive skin, you might experience some inflammation. There's actually a minimal downtime with using this high frequency machine. But to be on the safe side, you want to avoid anything harsh, like no harsh cleansers, no acids before or after treatment. And always use sunscreen during the day. And high frequency treatment can be drying, especially on winter months. So if you find your skin drying with this treatment, only use this treatment once every 4 to 5 days and use a high quality moisturizer. So that's how I use my high frequency machine. I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. I'll see you in my next one.